Hey, how's it going, guys? Hope you have a shit one. So today is a beautiful day and my plan right now is to go fetch my friend, Mr. Alfred, to get the block, because the last time we dismantled the whole engine we realized that there is a crack in the block. So luckily he have an extra block. Hopefully everything is alright with that block, but either way we're gonna take the block from him, and then after that we are going to my friend's shop, Valentino Dream Wheel Center, to inspect the block. Hopefully everything fits with that block. So let's get right into it. Oh, by the way, if you haven't, make sure to help me out by hitting the subscribe button down for me. It really means a lot. And also, make sure to hit that like button for me as well. So right here we got a new block. As you can see, inside here is much cleaner. Later I'll show you the other one. So thankfully we got a new block for it. Everything is out. Next we're gonna go to shops to grind everything, make it clean. Honestly, I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm just learning as they are doing it. So I'm really thankful for a friend like them who is willing to help me. So this is the whole area here. The king here is holding it.
Hey! Sorry, I think got this imposter.
So two head right here, Honda and Toyota. And this is my friend Alfred. And if you need any parts on like Toyota 4AGE parts or anything, you can find him. I'll link his Facebook down below.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, guys? It's the next day right now. So let me just roughly talk to you guys what has happened yesterday. So yesterday we tried to get the crank and the piston out from the old block because my friend got a new block. We thought of using the crank back, and then my friend also helped me to replace the piston, which later I'm going to show you. And the piston that we got here is a high compression piston, and we measure out the original piston with the high compression piston. The size is different, so we can't use the original crank. And thankfully this morning my friend just messaged me, said he's able to find me a new crank. Later on he's gonna help me to go to the shop there and fit it for me. Whereas for me, I will be going to my friend's shop, Valentino Dream Wheel Center, to do all the cleanings because I got petrol to help to do all the cleanings for the parts that I got. So don't mind the messiness behind my car boot. So this is the original piston. Obviously it's very rusty, and the surface here is like normal flat. Whereas this one is a high compression piston. I'm not sure you can see it. It's slightly pop up a bit. So, but the problem is we can't fit this one in the original crank. Like I said, thankfully my friend found a crank, and later on he will help me to fit it. So guys, once again, if you need any parts like Toyota parts, 4AGE parts, my friend Alfred, he have all the parts, and I'm gonna link his Facebook down below. You can contact him if you need any like spare parts for your car.
Itu,
Alright, here's the head. We are doing marking on all this thing so that we know next time we put back the position of it.
okay, how. Thanks man. Bye. Yes,
Fine.
boleh ambil drill lah saya.
Just a quick update. So right here is the new crank. Luckily we found it, and everything is out. So everything is out, and we also did the head inside the petrol. Obviously there's not enough petrol, so we need to buy more petrol to dip it to make it clean. All the cleaning and grinding, everything, we're gonna do it ourselves instead of sending it to shop. It is definitely very tiring, but it's a good experience for me to actually, build and touch the engine myself instead of like passing other people to do it. But at the same time, I do not know what I'm doing, so I'm still learning. So right here, as you can see, this is a Honda engine. They are overhauling it. All the whole engine is out. So right now I'm just cleaning the head itself with this wire brush, and so far the progress is good. It's very clean. So right here is the head, which I try my best to clean it as much as possible. As you can see, we use the wire brush that I showed just now, and then we're gonna soak it back into the petrol again. And then my friend will help me to bore out all of this as well. You can see this I will make it bigger. But I'm happy with the result. It's really clean. And I'd like to thank Dream Wheel Center for giving me this space to do my engine, and my friend Valentino and Alfred for helping me out as well. And if you guys are watching this, make sure to help me out by hitting that subscribe button down for me, and also smash that like button. And also give a follow to Dream Wheel Center if anything that you need about your cars, from servicing to rims. As you can see, there's rim behind me, to even like modifying, overhauling your own car. They do it here.